Hi, it's Darnell with EvenCrisp, and today I'm going to be cooking up some bacon in the Instant Vortex Plus air fryer oven. So let's see how it does with bacon right now. Alright, so here's my bacon for today. It's thick cut, real Applewood smoked bacon. Nothing in this video is sponsored, by the way. And so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to wake the cooker up. I'm going to press air fry. And I'm going to keep it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for cooking time. Don't really know how long it'll need. I think it's going to go very, very fast, but just in case, I'm setting it out 20 minutes. I may not even need half of that. But I'm going to hit start to let the cooker start preheating. While the cooker preheats, I'm going to go ahead and get some bacon laid out on this crisper tray here. Of course, if you want to do more bacon, you could use 2 crisper trays, and then you would probably have to swap them about halfway through the cook. But we're just going to do one here, and we're going to see how things turn out. So I'm going to get this open and get my bacon. Let's see how many slices fit onto one crisper tray. That like that. Get another one, and we'll turn this one the opposite way, like that. Maybe we can get 6, I don't know, but we can find out in a moment. Let's see. Maybe 5 or 6. Put that like this here. Get another one out of here. I'm a big fan of the thick sliced bacon. Of course, if you're using thin sliced bacon, you'll basically cook in less time than this will have to cook. This is going to, the bacon is going to touch up probably on the sides of the cooker. I don't really mind that much. But you could, if you wanted to, kind of better fit your bacon in. I guess I can press it down just a little bit to get it to better fit. But I was able to get 5 slices, so if you do 2 racks, you'll be able to get 10 slices in. You just have to swap partway through your cook. But we'll let the warm up continue, the preheat continue, and then we'll get this bacon on in. Alright, it's time to add the food, so opening up, put it on in there, and close up. I've got it up on the highest rack level. We'll let this go ahead and cook, and I'll bring you back. Alright, we're just 3 minutes in, and I'm seeing smoke coming out of the side here. I'll say I've cooked a lot of things in this cooker, and this is the first thing to cook to see some smoke coming out. I don't know how bad it's going to get, but things are cooking pretty rapidly in there. So we're going to let this continue to cook, and I may have to open up to maybe flip it over or something to see if that helps mitigate the smoke a little bit. But I am getting a little bit of smoke coming out. As I said, not too bad yet though. Alright, the bacon's been going for 6 minutes. I'm going to open up and have a look. See, it's a good bit of smoke comes out when I open up. We've still got a little ways to go here with the bacon. So it's cooking up though. I'm going to let it continue and bring you on back in a moment. Alright, things have been going for 7 minutes. I'm going to have another look inside of here. I'm going to use these tongs to have a look. That looks done. 7 minutes. That's very fast. So in 7 minutes it cooked up our bacon. I'll just go ahead and get the bacon slices off onto a plate here. So I didn't flip these or anything of that sort. Just let it cook for 7 minutes and our bacon is done. So I think it did a pretty good job. Just 7 minutes. I mean, that's microwave speed. Probably a little better than the microwave. Well, better than the microwave in my opinion, because you get some good searing. So you got some nice searing on your bacon in just 7 minutes. I don't think you can make your bacon look that good in just 7 minutes. I mean, you can cook bacon in 7 minutes in a microwave, but Not with that good little crisp searing on the ends there. I mean, this is even better. So I'm going to go ahead and do a quick taste test. Alright, so here's our completed bacon. And so let's give it a taste here. I guess I'll just grab this one here. You can see it's fairly stiff. I mean, it's not like falling over itself. So, you know, it's pretty well done bacon. Alright, so basically the bacon, it's really crisp outside. Inside it's got a slight chew. I mean, it's done. It's totally done. It's just, you know, really crisp on the outside, and inside has a slight chew. So, you know, it's not like overdone all the way through, and it's not undercooked at all. It's, you know, as you saw, it's not falling over, so it's not like, you know, some type of limp bacon or anything like that. It's fully crisp through, and it's got a little chew in there too. So really nicely done bacon in just 7 minutes. That is on par with the other cooker that could cook bacon faster than others, the Cuisinart Digital Air Fryer Toaster Oven. So the Instant Vortex Plus and the Cuisinart Digital Air Fryer Toaster Oven are able to both knock out bacon in about 7 minutes. Super duper fast. I mean, I talk about a lot of hot cookers or cooler cookers, but there are some that are even hotter than others. And that's where the Cuisinart Digital Air Fryer Toaster Oven and the Instant Vortex Plus are, in a super duper hot end of the hot spectrum. I mean, they're just really, really hot. And so does a really great job. You know, I'm sure with like a basket air fryer, if you can find a basket air fryer that won't cause a bunch of smoke with very thick sliced bacon that causes a lot of grease, you may be able to do in a basket air fryer in about that much time. But it really depends on the basket air fryer that you use, like the Ninja Foodi 2 basket air fryer. Bacon, even if you're only cooking on one side, takes about 9 minutes to complete, so a couple extra minutes. So, you know, this is faster than some basket air fryers. There may be some basket air fryers out there that can do bacon in about 7 minutes if they don't have smoke issues. But all the same, this one can cook up bacon as quick as probably any basket air fryer that goes really fast. It does require the preheat though. And it does cook up as fast as like the Cuisinart Digital Air Fryer Toaster Oven. And you do have to keep in mind with like the Ninja Foodi 2 basket air fryer, even though it might take 9 minutes on one side, you're not doing any preheating at all. So when you cut out the preheat, the native basket air fryer is a little faster, but still these cookers, you know, they do a preheat, but still 7 minutes is pretty good time. And so it does a pretty good job. And I definitely do like that. And so, you know, with all that said, you know, you'll be able to find the instructions in the video description. You can find recipes on my blog at superwaveovenrecipes.com. You can find ways to help this channel in the video description. Anything that is a referral link, you pay the same price, but you help this channel. And so with all of that said, be sure to show that you like this video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Be sure to share the video with a friend. Be sure to leave your comments, and good eating.